Hi, I'm Katie with Mercedes-Benz of Asheville. I'm our product concierge here, and today I have a 2023 S-Class. We're going to go over some key features in it. Today I'm going to show you some key features on the steering wheel of the S-Class. On the left side, you have a home button, an OK button that you can swipe right, left, up, and down that controls the screen in front of you, as well as a back button to go back. You have 3 different settings that you can do: classic, understated, sport, and executive, as well as pulling up navigation so you can see that map directly in front of you, and driver assist, where it will actually show the lanes and the cars displayed in front. You also have service updates, and if you scroll up, this is where you can control your heads up display. You can control the brightness, you can move it up and down in here as well. When you come back to that home screen, this is on the classic setting. You can swipe up or down, and this is going to change your center display for you as well. And that's all of the 2023 S-Class. Comment below what you'd like to see next.